Hello, let's talk about nasturtium. Nasturtium is the plant that's in front of me here. It's got these beautiful, characteristic, almost round leaves that sometimes get a little sort of flower, fire kind of shape to them as well. And what you'll find is that these guys are relatively young, so they've been planted, let's see, about 2.5 weeks ago. So you'll see how quickly they can turn into these big shoots here. And then they can keep on growing. So I want to show you this guy, which we pulled from another part of the farm. Look at that. It's almost like a lily pad. You can almost sit on this thing. And it's got beautiful, long, straight stem. And then, as you'll see, almost perfectly round shape here. And chefs love nasturtium because really they've got a spicy kind of radish taste. Pretty juicy. And then you'll get that pop of flavor coming in. And it can be pretty powerful. It's a pretty powerful spicy taste. That's what makes it great for all kinds of things. You can toss this in a salad if you want a bit of spice. I would say treat it gently, minimal dressing, maybe some other things like arugula going on in there, or you can match it with something lighter like an iceberg lettuce or something like that. But something where you don't want to drown this, you don't want to cut it too much, you don't want to cook it down, you're just going to lose it all. So use it fresh. Or you can pair it as a garnish on top of other dishes, and it can work in so many great situations. You could use it on, let's say something like a cauliflower soup, for instance. A really bright, creamy soup. Use that stalk, cook it down, maybe add some nutritional yeast in there, maybe add some lemon, maybe some plant-based milk, like oat milk or something like that. You'll get a beautiful soup out of some almost minimal work. You can make a beautiful cauliflower soup in about 10 minutes. And imagine some little nasturtium floating on top, or even a huge one like this, to give that a little bit of spice, some color, some flavor. Wouldn't that be special to treat your guests like that? So you could do it like that. You can add this really easy to a cocktail. Maybe not this guy. It might be a little bit big for a cocktail unless you really want to make a statement there. But maybe this little guy. Pop that on top of a martini, a little bit of olive juice in there, dirty martini. This could work really, really well with some extra spice there. So something that works really great. You can grow this at home. Nasturtium seeds are quite large and chunky. You can plant them one by one, give them a little bit of water, let them sprout. They're a pretty easy plant to let grow and flourish. And if you let them grow for a while, more like this kind of size, and if you stress them, then you can get some nasturtium flowers as well. We don't actually grow the flowers here because we like to keep our plants really nice and healthy and abundant. But if you want to stress your plants, you'll get beautiful orange, red flowers as well. So nasturtium, classically used more in sort of an Indian cooking, Middle Asian, that kind of thing. But I wouldn't be too worried about that. Use it for its spice, use it for its radishy flavor, and you'll have a lot of fun with this fantastic herb, nasturtium.